Hi, my name is Anush. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make blинчик. First, we will make the dough. So what we need for dough is 4 cups of milk, eggs, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 pinch of salt, approximately 1.5 cups flour, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we're gonna start making the dough. So put eggs in the container, and we have to whisk the eggs first. Okay. Then we add 4 cups of milk and the salt. Now we're going to add the flour. So you can add it the half part, or you can do it all. So we add 2 more flour because the milk is too runny. So maybe half a cup, maybe half cup of flour. We'll see. I think it's enough. We'll see. Okay, then we added the baking powder in the end because it helps to get the crepes is more fluffy. So, and 2 tablespoons of oil. So beat one more time, and just for now we're gonna to let the dough to rest for 10-15 minutes. The next step is to prepare the filling. Today I'm going to make the blинчик with 2 fillings. The one is and traditional style is the meat, and the second with ricotta cheese. You can use also cottage cheese. So for the meat stuffing, we need filling stuffing. We need ground beef, cooked ground beef, some onions, and parsley. We have 2 pounds of ground milk. So for 2 pounds of ground beef, I used the two medium size of onion. Then we need to heat the pan. 2-3 tablespoons of oil, not too much. We will add the onions. So we're gonna let the onions cook, and after that we'll add the meat. So while the onion is cooking, we're gonna prepare the second filling, ricotta cheese. For this filling, we need just only sugar. We have 2 pounds of ricotta cheese and we're adding 1 cup of sugar. I think it will be enough. If you like more sweet, so you can add a little bit more. We'll mix the cheese and sugar together and until the sugar is absorbed. Don't forget onions. So the ricotta cheese filling is done, and with the onion that's enough cooked, we'll add the meat, and then we can just add the meat. So mix it well, reduce heat, mix them well. We'll add a little bit salt and pepper. You can use black ground pepper. So mix it again well. We'll let the meat cook for a few minutes, for 5 minutes. You can cover it. So okay. Okay, the meat is ready. We add some parsley, mix it. So now we're gonna make the crepe. And okay, once the pan is hot, we can start to make a crepe. We have to put a little bit oil, just a little bit, just like this, and add 1 spoon and just turn like this to make sure that the bottom of the skillet all covered with the dough. We will wait for the minute, and when it's brown, we have to flip the dough. Just be careful. We need the whole piece, so like this, and just okay. Now we'll make the rest of the crepes and just continue. You can you don't need to put oil every time, so you can need every, let's say, second or third crepe. So it depends on the pan. The crepes are ready. I will show you how to prepare the blintchik. This part is called crepe. With a filling, we called it blintchik. So let's start with a meat filling. Put 1 tablespoon meat. Okay. Then we're gonna roll it like this and this, and just roll it. Okay, ready. Okay. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the ricotta cheese. 1 tablespoon of ricotta cheese. So this part, we're gonna this part and just roll it. Okay. When you roll all crepe and with a filling, you have to fry them on a pan. So let's start it. When the pan is hot, add some oil, just not too much. Okay, the oil is heating, so just put the crepes on the pan. I can add one more. Once one side, the bottom side gets the brown, we just flip them like this and let for a couple minutes for the other side, and that's it. So we have both sides are brown, so just put them on a plate and okay, now the blintjik is done, so enjoy.
Welcome to Learn the Dish.
My name is Miran.
My name is Ani.
My name is Silva.
The best way to get to know a people is through their food.
Today I'm going to show you how to make tabbouleh.
I'm going to show you how to make mantı.
One of our specialties here is Armenian coffee.
We're building a community to share the traditional dishes just like your grandma used to make.
Everybody would come and ask me for mantı.
Always super proud to serve here.
Come with us. Share your recipes too. And maybe learn the dish.
Enjoy.